Hi, today we will compress a video so that it will be easily, we can upload it anywhere because if the video is heavy, so it will not, we will not be able to upload it as easily as it is having less memory. So let's take the case. In my case, there is a video which is MP4 file and having the size 1.55 GB. So I was just making some changes in it. For example, there is a 27 minute length and I want to upload it. So sometimes it is very difficult for a web page to upload such a big size video which is having 1.55 GB. So we don't want to compress the length of the video, we just want to compress the size of the video. Remember this thing. So the length should be as it is. Length should be 27 minutes 16, but your size should be different. Yes, like the pictures, like the images we are compressing, there are the online converters available. In the similar manner, there is a one very popular converter by which we can compress our video so that it will be easily to upload anywhere or to transfer it from one place to another place, or you can say you can make it very light. So how we are going to, so for that you have to download one particular software that is in my system. It is already there. So Handbrake, it's Handbrake. So you have to just click on it. I have already installed. If it is not there in your system, so you have to install it with the particular web page. You just click on the Google Chrome or any web browser, you just search for Handbrake and just download it and install it like the other applications you are installing. Today we are not working with how to install it and all. If you really want to go with how to installation and how to download and all, just put me that thing in comment so that I will be making another video for that. But today we are just compressing a video so that it will be available for easily to upload anywhere or to transfer from one drive to another drive, or to transfer it so that it will be really manageable. So we have to just click on the Handbrake app. So you can just open this Handbrake apps, this one. Just you have to click on the file you want. You can drop and drag it. So in my case it is in desktop. So what I do, I just click on that that file. So this is 1.55 GB, you can see. So I just double click on it, that video will be here, right? It is very big video. It is a 27. We have already uploaded it in YouTube. You can watch it, but I have compressed it. So how I have compressed, I just want to share with you that thing. So this is your video. Now you want to compress it. There is only few things which you have to go with. This software is for all other things also, but today we are just going with the compression part. So what you will do, you just click on this, the first one, the first summary one. You just click on the web optimize. That's it. You have to click on this. Nothing you have to change for this option, only web optimize. And then you have to click on the videos. That's it, videos. And here you have to say frames. You don't want to set the frames according to yourself. We say same as source. That means whatever there was a source frames, you have to put that as it is. That's it. Now after that you have to give the name, if you want to give the name or you want to transfer it anywhere else. So in my case it is in videos or something, you want to go with that. Or if you want your own you can say address, click on the desktop. I want to share here. If you want to give the name, so I say new is the name of that. So I click on the save. That's it. This is a new address it has given. So users Dell desktop and new.mp3. This is a new name to it. Now what is the next step? What's the final step you have to do? The final step is nothing but the final step is start encode. Start encode. You have to click on start encode. So click on the start encode. That's it. Now you have to wait and watch. It will take little time. It will take, depends on your as I told you, depends on your system configuration and your memory left in your system and all. Depends on all the things. It will take that time. So in my case it is saying that time remaining how much and all. So if I take that much of time for making this thing, so it will be really you can say time consuming video, so I don't want. So I am going to skip this part, that how it is going to be. So after some time we will meet, and then it will be, yeah, definitely it will take little time, so be patient and do something else, some other work, whatever you are going to work, so do it. And within some minutes, few minutes, from seconds to minute, I'm not saying it will take hour, it depends on the video. If video is more than 25 minutes, then it will take definitely more time. But if in my case it's 27 minutes, so it has already started encoding. So when the blue line will be up to this, it will be finished. Then we will just close this application. That's it. When we close this application, you just, for example, close this application, and you will find that video, whatever the video you have chosen for the encoding. So you will see your 1.55 GB will be transferred into MB. Exactly the number of seconds, number of the video timing will be the same. If it is 27 minutes, it will be 27 minutes there also. But now our video is compressed, right? So yes, we will meet after some time. So I need to skip this part. So not to waste the time, I have skipped the video, and after some time you will see the video has been converted from one point. Just see, it was this video was, if you just take the cursor, it is 1.55 GB, and the new video which I have now, there it is 54.5 MB only. See how big difference is. So it is 1.55 GB, and it is, you are in MBs only, and that is only 54 MBs. So how beautiful and how useful this handbrake is. So I always prefer this app. I always try to, whenever I have to upload some videos, I have to transfer some videos from, one place to another place, or one drive to another drive, or I have to upload on web page or in my YouTube. So I always try to give this tool to my videos, that is to compress my video, so that it will take less memory in my, I can delete this original video, because I don't want this, isn't it? So now I have to work with this. So duration is always the same, that is 27.16. It was in earlier also, and it is in new also. Isn't this tool very useful? If you really find this tool useful, and you find this video useful, please put a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Definitely, you're not subscribed in my channel even if the content is good. So subscribe my channel, and wait for the next video. We will see such more content. Till then, take care. Bye bye.